Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Trello Cards, a simple yet powerful way to manage tasks and collaborate with your team. Start by logging into Trello. You can use your credentials or log in quickly with Google. Once logged in, open the board you want to work on. Boards are where you organize your tasks, projects, or client work. To add a card, scroll to the bottom of any list on your board and click Add a Card. Type a clear and concise name for the task. For example, if it's for a client project, make sure the card name reflects that. Then click outside the text area and your card is saved. Each card can be customized further. You can add due dates, labels, attachments, and comments to keep track of details and collaborate efficiently with your team. These features make cards indispensable for project management. And that's it. Adding and managing cards is simple, but mastering them will help keep your projects organized and on track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Trello tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.